Got the Lexus 2018 NX300. Alright. Here's a factory sticker, 2018. What is this? 2.0 turbo, by the way. This is the Freon R1348. Here's the latch right in the middle of the hood. Engine on cap, 0W20 oil type, synthetic. It's oil dipstick to check the level, of course, of the oil. You come this way. This is how you open the hood. Alright, you've seen this baby, double pipe. And that's a huge resonator. Pipe, cat. So my cat up here. There it is. But here's the oil drain plug. And the oil filter is right there. Let's get it. I'm gonna use a 14mm socket to break loose the oil drain plug. And I'm gonna remove it. Hopefully it doesn't splash on me. Here it comes. Dun, dun, dun. What you think? Is it that dark? Let me know, put in the comment box for me. Yeah, it is dark. I mean, this is not new. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, once we drain most of the oil, put the oil drain plug back by hand. Don't use any tool. Tight it. Grab your 14mm socket, tight it and snag it. Alright. Now we're gonna do the filter. This is the socket to remove the filter in these vehicles, Toyota, Lexus, yeah, me. We're gonna use a 27mm socket on top of this. Come this way, the guy's right here. He has one teeth right here, right? One teeth and three right here in the back. That's what is this for. Just set it over there like this. You see it? Now break it loose. Counterclockwise. Okay? That way. Grab your 27, like I said, millimeter socket. It could be long, short, whatever you want. Goes right here. Now break it loose. And once you break it loose, you can do it by hand. Watch out, it's gonna start leaking, so don't take it up. Don't remove it at once. Just let the thing fall, drip. Okay, they can remove it. It's all good. There it is. Here's the boil right. We're gonna replace that oil ring right here. Right here, and the filter, of course. Put the new oil filter, the oil ring, lube it so it's easier for you to screw it back. Do it by hand, then use a socket, both sockets, the 27 with the special socket for this filter. Tight it, don't break it. Now we put the oil. Put the funnel over there. Since this is a 2.0, I'm gonna pour 4 quarts first, and then check the oil level with, and then take it from there. Oh, by the way, this is 0W20 synthetic oil. Okay, so I'll pour 5 quarts synthetic oil, 0W20, as you can see. I'm gonna put this back. Now it's supposed to be right here, right? You don't believe me, I show you. 5 quarts. in your face. Now that thing is gonna go down a little bit because the oil filter is gonna suck a little bit. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2018 NX300 Lexus, by the way, 2.0 turbo, yeah, I mean, now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset, maintenance required reset. Alright, you start, the vehicle is running right now, right? Hey, hold on, before I get into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, destroy the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback, you know what to do with it. Put in the comment box for me. Alright, shout outs to my subscribers, thank you for the love, support, help, holla at your boy. Alright, let's get it. Now the car is running right now. You see that message, and you're just gonna play with these buttons. Okay, back menu, that's it. Alright, and with this guy too. So go back, that thing's gonna go away. With the arrows, you're gonna look for the gear, which is right there at the end. Now scroll down, you're gonna see that vehicle settings. This is like OK button, okay? I press OK, scroll down, go there, oil maintenance, push the OK button to reset it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna ask you reset data, scroll up, press OK, yes. The data has been reset. Alright, this is how you reset the oil life in this 18 Lexus NX300. Alright, hope you like the video, hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Estuvo Burun. I'm out.